Hey everyone, welcome to the Educon community, the daily DSA playlist course. Okay, so today our daily DSA problem is minimize the sum. So what's the statement? You are given n elements and you can remove any two elements from the list. Note that they are sum and add the sum to the list. And repeat these steps while there is more than a single element in the list. And the task to minimize the sum. So to minimize, this is very important word here. So to minimize, you need to sort the array. Okay, means you can use the arrays.sort method, or otherwise you can use any sorting algorithm, otherwise you can use any priority queue. As you know that priority queue always sort the elements in the ascending order by default. Okay, so you can use this also. Okay, so I am explaining a bit more by the example below. So so first of all, here the size of the array is n equals to 4. The array elements here are 1, 4, 7 and 10, and your output is 39. How this is 39? So you have to remove the elements, any two elements. Okay, so you can do means minimize your sum if you will sort the array. Okay, it's already sorted, no issue. So if there will be any unsorted array, then you need to sort this, otherwise you need to pass inside the priority queue. Okay, so here I have chosen this 1 and 4. The sum of 1 and 4 is 5. Okay, this is the first step. After that, what you will do, you will add it in the list. So 5 is added in this array. Okay, so now you can remove this 5 and 7. So you will do the sum of 5 and 7, which is 12. And you have to also add the previous sum with this sum. So 5 plus 12, which is 17. Got it? Next, you will add this sum in the array. So now the elements are 12 and 10. So what you will do? So you will add this 12 and 10, which is here 22. And the previous sum is 17. So you have to add this 17 with this 22. So the final is 39. Now you will add this inside the array. But this is single element. Okay, inside this array now it is single element. So now you need not to add anything with this. Okay, clear? Okay, you can see here, this is the unsorted array. So for this, you have to use the arrays.sort or otherwise priority queue. Okay, so I am explaining what I have done here. So already class solution is there, and a single method minimize sum is there, and this method takes two arguments. The first one is integer array. Okay, and sorry, the first one is the n, who is representing the size of the array, and second one is the integer array. Okay, and the method starts with the initializing the sum variable, if which is long, and I am assigning it to 0. Okay, for representing the total minimum sum. So after that, what I have done, uh, I have used this priority queue, means this creates a new priority queue called pq, which is used to store the elements of the array. So priority queue stores elements in sorted order by default. You can like it's will be ascending order. Okay. So after that, this is the for each loop I have used to iterate through the array for each element. And here I have added the current element of the array to the priority queue pq. Okay. So next, I used the while loop to execute until the size of the priority queue is greater than 1. As here it's mentioned that uh, while there is more than a single element in the list. So up to which in the array, when the elements will number of elements will be greater than 1, I will follow this while loop. So after that, inside the while loop, the first element in the priority queue is removed and assigned to variable a. The same way for the means after removing a, now this is the your first element. So inside the while loop, the first element in the priority queue is again removed, and I have assigned to variable b. Okay. So inside this while loop, sum is incremented by the uh, means by the sum of a plus b. Means after adding this a plus b, what I have told you here means, suppose this is a, this is b, and this is sum. So now sum will be the previous sum plus a plus b. Okay. Okay. So after that, this add of a plus b, okay, means inside the while loop, the sum of a plus b is added to the priority queue. As here you can see 1 plus 4 is 5. Now 5 is added here. Okay. So I have done these things only. And at last, at the end of the method, sum is returned to the minimum sum. So this is the approach. If you will have any another approach, you can comment below, and do like, share and subscribe. Okay. Keep coding, keep practicing. Thank you.